Everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a question based on painting of cubes or cuboids. It says that the faces of a cuboid are painted with three different colors, red, blue and green, such that each color is painted on at least one face. Now the cuboid is cut into 120 equal pieces by making the least possible number of cuts. So if 120 equal pieces are made, so we have to find we have to write 120 as a product of three integers. Okay, so you can write let's say 3, 4, 10. Okay, you can also say 3, 5, 8, 4, 5, 6, and so many ways. Okay, you can write it as a product of three numbers. But if you have to get the least possible number of cuts, now, how to get the least number of cuts? So, let us say if there's a side, if I make one cut, I get two pieces. If I make two cuts, I will get three pieces. Okay. So, if I make, let's say, second dimension, I make three cuts. So, I will get four pieces. So, two, if I say cuts, two into three, so pieces will be three into four. So if I have to make the least number of cuts, the numbers should be as close as possible. So we will see this thing. The number of cuts will be 2 plus 3 plus 9, 14 cuts. In this case, the number of cuts are 2, 4, 7, that is 13. In this case, the number of cuts are 3, 4, 5, which is 12 cuts. So least number of cuts you will get when you have the cube cut into 4 into 5 into 6 pieces. So in one dimension you have 4 pieces, second dimension you have 5 pieces, third dimension you have 6 pieces. Okay, now how will the faces look like? Two faces will be of 4 into 5, two faces of 4 into 6, and two faces of 5 into 6. Also, it is given that there are three different colors, red, blue and green, such that each color is painted on at least one face. So that does not mean that you have to paint two faces. You can have two, you can have 1, 2, 3. You can also have 1, 1, 4. So these are the different possibilities. Okay, you can have each color painted on two faces, one color on one, second color on two faces, and the third on three faces, and also one color each on one of the faces and the third color on four faces. Okay, now the first question is, what is the least and the highest possible number of smaller pieces with three colors painted on them respectively? Now these are the so I've drawn a cube. So these are the six faces. Okay, now suppose if I paint this side red, again this side red, this side blue, and the bottom also blue. Okay, and the front face green and the back side also green. Now what will happen? You will see that this will be RBG, red, blue, green. This face will have red on this side, blue on top, on blue, sorry, this is red is on this side, red is on this side. So it will have green here, right? Red this side and blue this side. Similarly, blue on top, red this side and green this side. So all 8 will have, see, this will be red, green, red from back side, green from this surface, and blue from bottom. So all 8 will have three different colors. Okay, so highest is 8. I can eliminate two options. I have to find the least possible number of pieces with three colors painted on them. Now let us say, instead of doing this, if I do this thing, that I paint four faces with the same color. Let us say I paint blue here, I paint blue here on the back side, blue on the front side, blue on the bottom. One side I paint red, and this side I paint yellow. Okay, so now if you see, this is blue, blue, yellow. This is also blue, blue, yellow. This will be blue, blue, red. This will be blue, blue, red. Okay. Similarly, these two will be blue, blue, yellow, and these two will be blue, blue, red. So none of the cubes will have all three colors painted on them. So this case, we get 0 cubes. So minimum 0, maximum 8. Next question. What is the maximum possible number of smaller pieces that have red and blue colors painted on them? So we have to maximize the number of pieces that have both red and blue colors painted on them. So what we will do, we will keep only one face. We have to minimize. Basically, we do not want yellow color, right? As much as possible. So what we will do, we will minimize yellow. Sorry, green. We will minimize green. We have red, blue, and green, right? So minimize green. So green we will minimize means the smallest face. What is the smallest face? The smallest face is 4 into 5. Suppose ये वाला face है 4 into 5. This face is 4 into 6, and the top face is 5 into 6. Okay. So this we will put green. So let us say this is green in color. Okay. Now what we will do is we have to maximize these two colors. So let's say this top is blue in color. The bottom face is also blue in color. Okay. And then we will have front and back side both red in color. This front side is red in color. This back side is also red in color. Okay. And this we can put any color. Right. We'll put any color because it will not matter. We can put it blue also. It can be red also. Suppose I take only red this side also. Now we have to find the number of cubes that have red and blue colors painted on them. So this front face was 4 into 6 and this face was 5 into 6. So that means this 6 is common. These are 6 cubes. So I will have 6 cubes along this line, 6 cubes along this line, 6 cube on this bottom line, and 6 cubes here also. Right. So thus far I have had 6, 6, 6, 6, 24. Okay. Plus that is not the end. Now this is blue in color. This side is red in color. So how many cubes are left there? So this was 5 into 6. So there are 5 cubes. Let me just remove the shading so that we understand it. This was 5 into 6, right? So these 6 are both, right? Because it was both the colors, right? It was blue and the back side it is red. Okay. Similarly, we took these 4 as 6 into 6. Now these are 5 cubes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pieces. Now these have already been counted. When I count this straight line, I have counted all these pieces. So I'm left with 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 pieces here. And similarly on this side also we will have 3 pieces that have both red and blue color. Okay, so this surface is red, this surface is blue, so 3 pieces which were not counted. So 3 and 3, 6, and these 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 6, 30 pieces have both red and blue colors painted on them. Okay. What is the maximum possible number of smaller pieces that have only red color on them? You have to find the number of pieces that have only red color on them. So if you have to maximize the number of red pieces, so what we will do? We will minimize green and blue. Okay. In order to minimize green and blue, we will assign them the smallest face. Smallest face, that is 4 into 5. Now 4 into 5, the face will be opposite to each other, right? So 4 into 5, if this is the dimension 4 into 5, this face will be 4 into 5. So one of them is green, one of them is blue. Now this problem becomes quite simple. What we need to do is we need to just cut these two pieces off. I mean, cut these two sides. It removes, if we remove these two sides, what will happen? We have removed 20 cubes from here, 20 cubes from here, right? 40 we have removed. Now, the remaining cubes are some internal cubes also. How many internal cubes would be there which have no faces painted in earlier? Internal cubes are n minus 2, a minus 2, b minus 2, and c minus 2. So if you talk about internal cubes, so that will be 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. So these 24 had no color, and these 40 had 20 had green color and 20 had blue color. So we will remove these. So total 120 pieces minus 40 minus 24. So we get the answer as 56. So maximum 56 pieces can have only red color on them. Next question. What is the maximum possible number of smaller pieces that have neither blue nor red on any face? It is like the previous question only. It says maximum number of pieces that have neither blue nor red color on any face. Now what we will do is we will try to give blue or red to minimum number of pieces so that maximum will not have any of these colors. So minimum blue can, how can we give? Like 4 into 5. Let us say this is blue. This face is also 4 into 5. Let us say this is red. Okay. So minimum pieces that can have blue or red color is 20 plus 20, 40. Okay. Now we remove all these. Apart from these cubes, how many cubes remain, right? There are total 120 cubes. Remove these 40, you get 80 cubes that will have neither blue nor red. See, we will also count the internal cubes in this case. In the previous question, we did not count the internal cubes because they had no color painted. So when I say neither blue nor red, that also includes the cubes that have no color painted on them. Okay. So here's a question for you as a homework. If 38 pieces have only one face painted, which is blue, so that means these are along the on the center of faces. Okay, I've given you the hint also. These are on the center of faces. How many pieces have only green and red color on their surface? So try attempting this question and answer in the comments of this video.